Hi, I want us to talk about the spleen, the functions of it, and importance. Alright, so the spleen is a small organ which is located at the left side of the rib cage, that's a little above the tummy area. The limb, the spleen is part of the lymphatic system and also is part of the immune system. Okay, so the spleen is important for filtering in the blood. It filters in the blood. It's also important for fighting off germs that gets into the blood. It fights off the germs as well. It's responsible for controlling the white and red blood cells as well as the platelets, that we have in us. What are the platelets? What are they? What are they about? Well, the platelets are small fragments in our blood that help with blood clots. So these are what the functions of the spleens are. That is what they are supposed to do. But the thing is, with persons living with sickle cell, it's a problem because our spleens are damaged and we pick up germs easily, we pick up viruses easily. This gets into us easily because the spleen has lost its functionality. So now you just have to be mindful where your surroundings are and what you do around these places so that you don't get things into you. So you just have to be mindful when you go into a room, you see people doing certain things that you can pick easily, because now the spleen that functions as an immune system, it does not fight off all these things. Nothing fights for you. So you can't, you keep getting ill, you keep getting sick from germs, you keep getting, things just happen to you easily because nothing fights for you anymore. Unfortunately, that's what persons of sickle cell have to go through because they have no spleen fighting for them. So that's basically. So people living with sickle cell experience spleen damages because the abnormal cells are not able to move freely. They actually block and have all the blood inside it, which later damages the spleen. There's no free movement of blood through it. It gets enlarging and damages in time. That's what that's about. Thank you.